न्यू रिलाइट ऑप्टिकल्स एंड कंप्यूटराइज्ड आई क्लिनिक। हमारे यहाँ सरोजनी हॉस्पिटल के आई स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर अवेलेबल। अपनी आंखों का मुफ्त मुआयना करवाइए। जी हाँ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, 7H न्यूज सच को रखे आपके आगे। माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर मिनिस्टर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने एक बयान जारी करते हुए ये तफसीलात बताई है कि तेलंगाना हुकूमत की जानिब से 15 मार्च को लाल बहादुर स्टेडियम में इफ्तार पार्टी रखी जाएगी। देखना यह है कि अब इस इफ्तार पार्टी में फ्लोर लीडर AIMIM अकबरुद्दीन अवैसी साहब और असदुद्दीन अवैसी साहब आते हैं या नहीं, क्योंकि हाल ही में इन दोनों भाइयों ने मिलकर कांग्रेस के खिलाफ बहुत ही कहा था। आइए सुनते हैं तफसीलात।
Thank you very much for being here. I know it's very hot, but we can't help it. We have to work in every which way. And only I have. Last time also we had the same meeting, but I think we discussed everything. So last time the event was very well done, and I must congratulate everybody who's here, who has been an integral part of that event. But I think this event is much bigger than the event which happened before. I think we must always remember that event is bigger than anybody else except the CM, because we are giving this is a dinner, this is a iftar party which the CM, so it's coming from the CM side. So we have to make sure that we do all the arrangements perfectly, organized in every which way, and please, for God's sake, we have to give space for the CM to move around, because I don't want anybody walking very close and then the security person, because what happens is, because we don't realize, I'm sure the police department knows that, because when the CM is walking, everybody wants to fall, everybody wants to go close to it. That is where the problem happens. That's why we start blaming the police or the security for pushing them, because if we can do that, I'm sure the police department will also take it. Sir, you be strict, don't worry about anything, nobody will say anything. From my side, we are very free hand, everybody. I'm a very disciplined person. I want discipline on the stage, and I want the event to be done in a very professional manner, because here everybody knows his role to the event and responsibility to do it. So I think it's responsible if you do it diligently, if you do it with a lot of passion. I think the event will be very successful. As far as the food concerned, I think last time we had complaints about the madam also has said that the food, there was a shortage of food, because please make sure that खाना कम नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर बच गए तो कोई बात नहीं, you can give to, there are so many poor people who will come and eat, but I think खाना बचना नहीं चाहिए, please, because I don't want that complaint, because this is a serious complaint. It is coming from every time we hold this type of event, there is a shortage of food. Please, अगर आप ज़्यादा पैसे लग रहे तो no problem, don't worry, we'll give it for you, but please make sure that all the guests who come and they go very happy, and then they give all their good wishes and good, because the event is very important, because this has not happened. Because I was given to understand that day before, I mean in 2 days, I think last year or year before last, I think they had some issues, because we don't want that issues to be repeated, because it's not very good, because it will give a very bad name for the ministry also, and because now I am doing, this is my first event as a iftar event, I want to